What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck, and it's something that I've been wanting to talk about to you guys because I do the accessories, I review the phone, and I feel like I gotta put my own narrative or my own spin on my own feelings on this one subject. So let's get into it. Okay, YouTube, there's a reason why I'm holding this phone, and the back y'all see in the back of the phone right now is because I want to talk about MagSafe. And like y'all know, this phone natively, naturally doesn't have MagSafe. That's an iPhone thing. So when it comes to the S24 Ultra and accessories, you do have accessory companies. They want to appease people. They want to sell cases. And they know one thing that sell cases is the MagSafe powers. Adding the MagSafe to the S24 Ultra. If you look at this device, it's not like an iPhone. It's got 3 cameras coming straight down the back of the phone. That's kind of far when it comes to things like MagSafe power banks. Okay, I had to drop a case on here to explain. Now, this is one of my favorite cases for this device, ESR Hybrid. This is not sponsored by them. They didn't send me this case. I paid for it with my own money, but I will put a link down in the description for y'all to help the channel out. You go ahead, buy this case. Link down in the description. That'll help me out. Help me buy some more electronics for the YouTube channel. But anyway, as you can see, the MagSafe ring has to be placed in a certain area to work with the wireless charging that's natively in this device. And that certain area is very close to this third camera down here. Very close. So to me, honestly, a lot of these power banks and things of that nature, like I'm not interested in wirelessly charging or using MagSafe power banks to charge my S24 Ultra because that's probably topped out at like 15 watts, and this device does support 45 watt fast charging, which is not the fastest charger on the market, but it's way faster than me wirelessly charging for 15 watts. And at the same time, like as you can see, I got the device, I got a power bank. I throw the power bank on the back, and I mean, to me, guys, I like fly accessories, and that just don't look good to me. It doesn't look good to me at all. Now, what I do think is dope is actually lower circular MagSafe accessories. Like, with a big device like this, a ring holder comes in handy, a kickstand comes in handy, and this is another ESR. I like to have matching brand accessories and things of that nature. Snaps right on. It looks aesthetically better. Like, it works because it's a circle. So I like to use the more puck style accessories. I use the ring holders. UAG got a puck that you can put on the back of this device, and it's, you know, it's designed with the device. It kind of fits the flow of the device. But also, there's another problem when it comes to MagSafe and the S24 Ultra. Now, be advised, if you like going crazy with your S Pen and you got a MagSafe case on your device, you can still go crazy with your S Pen. You can still do your thing with the S Pen with a MagSafe case on that have the magnetic capabilities of using a MagSafe accessory. But if you have a MagSafe accessory, let's say I'm rocking this ring holder on my device all day. As you can see, it's some skipping going on. It's some things going on. It don't work the same. I gotta take that magnet off. So I'm just letting y'all know, man, like, of course, the MagSafe stuff is cool and everything. Okay, so basically, this is the whole reason I made this video. Number one, I'm not a big fan of using 15 watt MagSafe power banks to charge this device when it's natively got a 45 watt fast charge going on. And I do like some of the MagSafe accessories, like what I just showed y'all, the ring holder that's on the back of this device. But if you somebody that want to have a MagSafe accessory that you have on all day, when you go to pull your S Pen out, this is what you will get. You can have a MagSafe case on the device, but as soon as you put an accessory on there, like a ring holder or anything else, it will make your S Pen start to skip. So you need to be aware of that. Like, I'm pretty aware of that. Like, I'm fine with, it's easy enough for me to take this MagSafe accessory off and get the right, and like, it's no issue with me. Understand the accessories that you buy and how the device is going to work with them. Because I like the MagSafe cases, that's cool. That doesn't interfere with my S Pen at all. It's just when you throw the accessory on there. So I like rocking this accessory because I like using the kickstand, I like using the ring holder. This is a bigger device, but at the same time, I know once it's S Pen time, I gotta remove the accessory so I could use my S Pen. But that's just, I just wanted to show y'all that And a lot of people not understanding how these accessories and these MagSafe accessories go on this S24 Ultra. And basically that's all I wanted to get to. Some things like the power banks and stuff, guys, I'd rather have a fast charging power bank that I could plug up to the device and get my 30 watts plus 45 watt fast charge, and not play around with a 15 watt power bank that's made for MagSafe that's not even really hooking up to the back because the camera's in the way, scratching against the camera. But it's your boy BG Tech Life. I just wanted to put that out there. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. All this product, the ring holder, the case, it'll be a link down in the description if you like it. I'm out. Peace.